Hey everyone, and Easter break is here and I'm so excited for Easter. Good Friday is here and today I decided to show you an amazing simple recipe of carrot cake for Easter. Guys, let's hop into it. So the ingredients to make this simple carrot cake are 350 grams of carrots, 250 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, 180 ml of oil, a squeeze of lemon, a teaspoon of vanilla sugar, but if you don't have vanilla sugar, you can always use vanilla essence, green food coloring, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 4 slices of pineapple. Fondant for optional. Guys, what are we waiting for? Let's make this carrot cake. First you have to crack your 4 eggs into the bowl. When you get your electric mixer, now it's time to whisk them until it's nice, pale, and fluffy. When we're finished cracking the eggs, just put the eggshells in the bin and now it's time to whisk them. Now when you're finished whisking the eggs, it has doubled its size, and to check if it's ready, do an infinity sign or an 8. And if it's risen, it's good. If it's fallen down, keep whisking it until it is nice and fluffy. Add sugar little by little. When you're done adding the sugar, now we're going to add the pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon. When we're finished with that, now we're going to add the oil. Now we're going to add the baking powder and the vanilla. We're done with the mixer and now we're going to put it aside. Get your sieve and get your flour. We're going to sieve this into 3 parts. And we're not going to use the mixer to mix it. We're going to use a spatula and we're going to fold it. Do not stir it, fold it. When you are done adding the flour, now we're going to preheat our oven to 170 degrees. First, we're going to add our carrots. Now it's time to add the pineapples. When we're finally finished preparing our batter, now let's put it in the tin. Now we got the tin, now we have to cover it with loads of butter so the batter won't stick to the pan. We are done buttering our pan. Now it's time to finally put the batter into the tin. We're finally prepared our batter. Now it is time to put it in the oven. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 40 to 60 minutes. Guys, we are back with our cake ready, done. It looks so good, delicious. Now we are going to prepare our buttercream icing. For the buttercream icing, you need your mixer, 500 grams of icing sugar, and 300 grams of softened butter. Now let's make the buttercream icing. I'll be cutting the butter into cubes so the mixer will be easier to make the cream. When you have done adding all of your butter, now it's time to use the mixer. Now we're going to mix it until it's a big, nice, fluffy, pale texture. I'm done mixing the butter. It should look nice, fluffy, and pale. It did double its size, that's good. Now we're going to add little by little of the icing sugar. So when you are done, finally prepared your buttercream icing, so now we're going to split the buttercream in half. I'm going to add all my buddy friends onto the cake. Our fondant done with decorating, now we're gonna add the finishing touch. Our delicious carrot cake is done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you tried this delicious, simple recipe at home. You can decorate it any way you like, optional. It took long, but it was worth it. It looks so good. I am so excited to eat it. So please try this recipe at home. Like, subscribe, hit the notification to not miss an upload. Happy Easter! First you have to crack your eggs. Ugh.